Hello everyone, I'm of Thai in the United States. Today I would like to show you what I got, which is I really like it. As a cleaning lady, I requested this one, the scrubbed brush with extension handle for a while from the host that I would like to have it instead of use the hand brush, and every time when I clean the tub I need to bend over my body. That caused me to sore and my knees hurt. And finally, he got it for me. Yay, I really happy. It is easy to use as the turning, adjusting handle, and also doesn't need to bend and reach myself across the tub anymore. As you see here, I just sit down for sure, and the handle can reach to another side, right? Easily. So, and then I ordering one from eBay for myself using at home, but I didn't find any scrub ready, so I order a brush, which many sellers on eBay from Taiwan, China, and then I found one seller in the United States. So I ordered that from the seller in the United States. It was about $9.99 each. Then I got it today, and then here is the handle. It's come with separated. This is the brush. And then I need to put the handle and the brush together, and then it is the same extension. Need to turn at the connector, right? The connection area, and this is how to put them together. Just push the handle into the brush and push it until it's creaked. So that's it. Here, yay! And adjusting the head, good. And then today I will clean the shower. I am using Lysol spray. That all I have today. And I also had, but I don't have today, the comic powder. And I think there are some product that's good for the towel, but I didn't search yet. If you have something, you can suggest me. I will find on the market and get it to try using it. So when I use is scrubbing, if I hand on the connector area, that's gonna be a little bit wobbling because in that area doesn't strong enough at the plastic. But if turn it back a little bit, that's gonna be more firmly. Anyway, I love it very much because I don't need to bend myself down and sit down, especially older and older every day. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys like my video. Have a nice day. Bye.